morning, guys. I am anxious to see, well, it is snowing, if this storm actually hit last night. No, you can't see that because it's so bright. But there's some flurries coming down. Let's see what it looks like out front here. Holy crap. Oh my god, it's nothing but bright white. Yeah, I mean, we definitely got the storm. I don't think we got a foot, but we definitely got probably 8 inches out there. And the plow has not been down my street yet. So there's just a couple of tire tracks down the street, but oh my god, I can almost hardly stand it. It's so bright. I can hear the wind howling. Everything on the porch is covered. I mean, it's not horrible, but yeah, I don't even know if you can see the those tire tracks. I'll have to see if I can get a shot of the, what do you call it? The plow when it comes down the street. I'm glad I'm parked in the back now, though, because usually, you know, I used to park the cruiser out front there on the street, and I would get plowed in every time. I had to pay the neighbor kids to try to shovel it out. And look at this. I figured this out this morning. This is really cool. My old phone, my iPhone 5S, has a giant magnet on the back that I used to use to stick it in the car on my dashboard. I don't have service on this phone anymore, but I do still have Wi-Fi, obviously. And so what I did here was I stick it on here. It's at eye level, so it's easy to stand here and just tap things. Open up Netflix. Turn on whatever I want to watch, like if I wanted to watch this Extraordinary Homes thing. And then I just cast it right up onto the TV up there. That's what I was talking about yesterday when I turned on the proper people on my computer and I cast it up here onto this TV. But now I have the iPhone right here like it's just a little remote. And it just casts it wirelessly onto that TV. That's pretty awesome. I love it. And if I'm going to watch for any extended period of time, I just grab my external charger, come over here and plug it in, plug it into the charger, toss that up there, and there you go. This charger is pretty awesome. It has 2 full charges worth of power to it when it's fully recharged itself. So, I mean, it can keep this phone on 100 for hours and hours on end. Look at the neighbor's car, guys. It looks like a hearse. I suppose I had better go out here and shovel snow. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much stopped. Well, it's coming down really lightly. But, let's do that quick. We'll go shovel the front walk, put some salt down, and that'll be done. Because if I have packages to be picked up, my mailman will not pick them up if it's not shoveled out there. sucked. But not half as bad as this person down here trying to get up the hill. That would blow. It is 13 degrees out here, and everything under the snow that I just shoveled is ice. There's like 2 inches of solid ice under that snow. That person just slid all the way back down that hill. I mean, I don't know how I could help them, for anybody who's wondering why I don't go help. It's just, it's one of those old, oh, here they come. They made it. All right. I was feeling bad because I couldn't help. But it's just one of those old brick roads over there. And those things are slick, even when they're just wet. Whew. Boy, does that cold air take it out of you. Man, that's how you have a heart attack. It's a good thing I'm not a fat guy. Guys, Walmart just commented on my video on yesterday's morning show where I made the enchiladas. Looks like you had a fun snow day, Nate. Those enchiladas look delicious. Alright. Thanks. Pretty sure I'd accept if you offered me a monthly grocery allowance as the new sponsor of the Nate in the Morning Show. Smiley. I would die if they came back and said yes. That would be nuts. Imagine all the awesomeness I could cook then. Alright guys, I've been editing for quite some time now in there. The little FaceTimed me and she had me laughing so hard that I got a headache, so I had to take some Excedrin. You know, you put the two of us together and we start acting like fools. She just gets me laughing so hard. Anyways, I'm a hungry boy, so I'm going to make something to eat here. And I think what I'm going to make, I pulled out this muffin pan earlier so I would not forget because I've been wanting to make these. I got the regular size muffin pan, and I've seen online, I think this one was on Delish, where you can take ham and eggs, and I have like some bacon bits. I have regular bacon, but I want to save that until I just want to eat the bacon. But I have bacon bits. It would be really good to do a sausage too, but I'm not going to do that either. I just want it to be simple. So we're going to use some of this ham, this budding, I think that's how you say it. It's really good. Use some eggs. Just kidding. Got him in my basket. Oh, did I ever get to be such a nerd? We're going to use some cheese too. Bacon bits. And I think that's all we need. 400. Okay, so basically what I'm doing here is taking my ham. I think I'm going to use 2 slices in each of these. Put it right down in the pan, just like you would a, you know, a muffin paper, cupcake paper, whatever you call it. I think I'm just going to make 6 of these for now, because I've not tried them before. I'm sure they're going to be delicious, but I was going to make a whole pan and then save some for tomorrow. But they're so easy, and I don't know how they would be reheated. So there's our pan full of our ham liners. And next we're going to crack some eggs right in there. That wasn't bad at all. I expected to make a huge mess doing that. Now we're going to put some, these are real bacon bits. These are great value. I get these over at Walmart. Obviously, that's where I shop all the time. 0 carbs, and they're absolutely delicious. I use these when I make my cracked chicken, too. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this in each one. Okay, now the cheese, I'm gonna have to, I don't have a cheese grater. I'm gonna have to just use a knife and chop it up the smallest I can. And then we'll put that on top of each of those too. I think we'll save these for when we paint things. Those are perfect to hold the different paints in. You know, like when she paints my head. Look at this, guys. You know what I just realized? The plow still never came down my street. I don't know how well you can see that, but it has never been plowed today. I'm glad I didn't have to get out for anything. Alright guys, it has been 15 minutes. Let's get on my trusty oven mitt. I'll bet you this thing's 20 years old, man. Look at that. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, these look so good, guys. See how easily I can get them out of here. I bet I can just use a fork. Okay, yeah, look at these. Those look so good. I stuck the fork in one just to make sure that it came out clean, and it did. They came out pretty easily. Left just a little bit of stuff in there. So I might even want to use the cupcake papers the next time I try to do this. Or I suppose I could spray the pan. That would make sense. Alright, let me cut one of these in half here and we'll see. Steamy hot, but let me show you. Look at that. It's cooked all the way through. You can see the bacon bits and the cheese on top. Smells so good. Look at that, guys. I love how that's steaming. What would even make it better is if you had like a little bit of picante sauce to put on top here. In fact, I just might. No picante sauce, but I do have this this Taco Bell taco sauce, 0 carbs. So I'm just gonna put a little dab on one of these. See how that tastes. I bet this would be good if you put like some jalapenos in there too. A little bit of that sauce on there. Wow, that's really good. That is a total difference. Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to go eat some of these. Wherever you guys are waking up, whatever time it is, make the best of your day. Do something for somebody else. Pay it forward. Let's make this world a better place, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.